Hi guys, this is Jim Pinkham. I'm with MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-892-9676. Today we're going to take a look at a NauticStar 193SC. This boats a 19.5-foot NauticStar. It's got a hand-laid fiberglass hull. It's all lifetime warranty. Up in the front we have a boarding ladder. We have an anchor locker. Everything, as you can see, has got a nice deck up here so you can jump in and out and not have to worry about catching your toes on anything. You've got running lights up in the front, horn, some cup holders up here. When you're back here, you want to get a nice drink. It's very convenient to get to. There's storage underneath all the seats in the front. As you can notice, they're hinged. Throw all your life jackets or anything you want down in there. Floor in this boat is left open. What makes it nice is at the end of the day, you can just hose it out. All the sand, debris, or anything, dirt goes right out the back. Down here we have a floor locker, quite a bit of space. We got a speaker down here, a little courtesy light, so at nighttime you can see where you're going, about trip. We've got a sink here with a little pump handle that'll actually allow you to wash your hands. So back here we have another ample storage area, again, hinge seat, captain's chair, swivels. We have a real nice clean dash, starting with your trim gauge, your tack, your miles per hour, speedometer. You've got your fuel gauge, stereo system here. All your gauges here are going to be lit to tell you, what's on and off, your navigation lights, different, internal lights and so forth. Down in here. Down here we have a USB charger for your phone. We also have a 12-volt plug your telephone in. We have a built-in cup holder down here, speaker, bimini top. Our light is integrated into the top, which makes it nice so you're not having to look for the light somewhere in the boat at night. You just turn it on, of course the light's going to come on. Back in the back of the boat, another boarding ladder, so you've got a ladder in the front and the back. And of course down underneath this tray here is the battery tray for access to be able to get in to charge your battery. Last but not least, we've got more storage underneath this rear seat. And that should wrap up the 2019 NauticStar 193SC. I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-892-9676.